Hey folks, Alex with Fox Liquidation. Today let's look at how to fine-tune your inventory alerts to maximize their effectiveness. Now the first question is, where do I go to do this? So let's go ahead and get logged in. Now once you're logged in, on the left-hand side of your screen you'll see a link that says email alerts. Let's click there. As you can see here, I have 3 inventory alerts already set up. So let's go ahead and click on this first alert. This first alert, let's see here, is for Ladies Sport. Now I have it set for shelf pull, seasonal shelf pull, and customer returns out of Connecticut exclusively. Now this search may be a bit too narrow for this particular category of goods. There are a very limited amount of sports lots at any given time, so let's broaden our search a bit. Now I am based in Pennsylvania, so in order to keep the shipping costs down, I'm going to select locations along the East Coast. So in addition to Connecticut, let's also select Maryland, Stone Mountain, Georgia. Let's go far south as Tampa. Let's do North Jackson and Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. Let's see. Last, I don't seem to have a name for this search, so let's go ahead and update that. Let's call this simply Ladies Sport and hit save. Now our next alert appears to be, it's a bit broad, so let's try and narrow the scope of this next one down. So we're going to go ahead and edit this alert. It's now spring summer, so let's go ahead and get rid of fall winter. Locations, I've got a few too many locations here that are pretty far from me in Pennsylvania. Let's get rid of Houston and California. I am now specializing only in casual men's clothing, so let's go ahead and eliminate home goods, swimwear, jewelry, ladies designer. Last, let's go ahead and rename this alert. Casual men, and hit save. Now for this last alert, I'm just going to delete this one and go ahead and start one from scratch. Now, for this new search, I'm going to concentrate on some household items. So I'm going to go ahead and select closeout home goods, kitchenware, and let's also do napkins, glassware. As far as location, now these 3 categories I've just selected are usually on the heavier side, which means increased shipping costs. I'm going to keep my search as far as the location very narrow so I can keep my shipping costs down. So in this case, let's go ahead and select Maryland. Let's do Connecticut and Ohio, PA. For this one, I'm also interested only in either spring, summer, or mixed. And I want to keep it to shelf pull or seasonal shelf pull. Okay, let's go ahead and name this. Let's call it Home Goods and save. Now, if you're getting too many results for any search, try and narrow it down. Take off a location or restrict it to a few categories or just one. Too few results, broaden your search or create multiple narrow searches. It's always a good thing to tweak and fine-tune your alerts. You can also set up new inventory alerts using our wholesale lot filter. Simply select condition, season, location, and category of merchandise, and click search. You will be given the option to save this search as an inventory alert. Simply type in the name of the search and save. Please be sure to add support at Foxliquidation.com to your email contacts, as these alerts will be blocked by email filters. Last, if you no longer wish to receive any email alerts, simply click the delete button next to each of your saved alerts. Thanks for watching, folks. Any questions, please feel free to contact us at 1-888-808-4934 or via our live chat found on Foxliquidation.com.